Gigi's unit. Alright you guys, here's some of the items that we're going to be using for my updated curly hair routine. It's been like 2 years, so here we go. Most, if not all of this stuff will be linked down in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing yourself. The small bottle is just a mixture of the Shea Moisture and some water. We got some gel, some plump. This stuff smells so good. This is for if your curly hair needs some volume. And of course, we cannot live without the diffuser. Alright, we're going to do an updated curly hair routine. Crazy hair right now. Let's go. Okay, so right now I'm just adding that deep conditioning spray mixed with water all over my hair just to give it that refresh that it needs. If you have newly washed hair, then you could still do this step or you could skip it. Next, we're adding in some multicultural curls cream. I always add this in before I do the gel or anything else. And this stuff seems to be helping my curls come back to life a lot. Now we're just doing a little bit of scrunching. I'm making sure any excess product that I have on my hands I put in my roots. Because if you use too much product on your roots, it weighs your hair down. Now we're adding some gel, just a little bit of gel because I like my hair being soft. I don't like it being crunchy and blah. Plus this stuff makes your hair smell so good. And of course, scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Now we're using the towel. This is a microfiber towel which helps with less frizz for your curls. Now we're going to go in with some of the foam or mousse, whatever you want to call it. It's foamy to me. And just put it all through your hair. I like just scrunch it in there. Now we use the microfiber towel to really scrunch before we start diffusing. So now I always make sure I flip my hair upside down because it helps give me volume while I'm diffusing. A lot of people do the roots first, but I like to do the front little pieces of my hair first and then I do the roots and then I do the rest of my hair. Then we just add some of the plump into the roots to give it some more volume. And then we diffuse our hair until it's dry. We all know how long this can take depending on how dry your hair is, so I sped it up to like 4 times. And people would be surprised how wavy curly their hair is if they just try this. And here's the finished project. What you think? Guys, if you have even wavy hair, your hair could curl. Right now my hair is more of like this, the flowy soft beach waves. I can get it to like really curl, but I personally don't like my hair like that. I do bleach my hair and that also kind of kills my curls a little bit, but personally we like this look. I like it. I would say I have about 2C, 3A curls. So most of them are like 2C wavy, but then I do have some curls in the back that are spiral, and that's 3A. If you guys have any questions about curly hair or anything, wavy hair, anything, just leave them down in the comments below. Listen, you guys, my hair would not be this like fluffy big if I didn't use a diffuser. Believe me, we've tried it many different ways. Flipping my hair upside down and using a diffuser gives me that volume, and then if it ever gets flat from like being outside with like humidity or anything like that, I just grab some of that plump for joy, spray it on your roots, diffuse again, and then your hair will have volume again. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.